Sleeping less than 7 hours increases bad cholesterol levels and risk of heart attack death. If you are not sleeping enough, make sure to watch this. Renowned cardiologist explains why sleep matters so much for your heart health. Sleep and heart health. Are you struggling to get enough sleep lately? If you're dealing with sleep apnea or insomnia, this message is especially important for you. A recent study has found some alarming news. Consistently sleeping less than 7 hours a night and frequently waking up too early or throughout the night can significantly increase your risk of stroke, heart attack, and myocardial infarction in the future. Yes, you read that correctly. Failing to give your body the necessary rest each night not only hampers your productivity but also makes you more susceptible to serious and life-threatening heart diseases. Sleep deprivation, how it takes a toll on your overall health. Sleep deprivation is a major health issue with serious implications for heart health. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, research indicates that insufficient sleep is associated with various cardiovascular diseases, including high blood pressure, obesity, heart disease, and stroke. In this article, we explore the link between healthy sleep patterns and heart health, along with tips for achieving consistent, restful sleep. There is a strong connection between sleep disorders and heart diseases. Getting less than the recommended 7 hours of sleep daily can increase your blood pressure and lead to unhealthy eating habits, such as consuming more carbohydrates and sugars. This exacerbates prediabetes and cholesterol symptoms, significantly raising your risk of heart attack and stroke. How does poor sleep affect your heart health? Now that you're aware that insufficient sleep can increase your risk of serious heart problems, let's delve into the connection between the two. Poor sleep likely harms heart health through several mechanisms, including heightened sympathetic nervous system activity, dysregulation of the autonomic nervous system, and increased systemic inflammation. Poor sleep habits and hypertension. Poor sleep quality is linked to an increased risk of hypertension, meaning inadequate sleep contributes to high blood pressure. Additionally, insufficient sleep leads to insulin resistance, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. In simpler terms, sleep deprivation causes your body to produce more stress hormones, which constrict blood vessels and raise blood pressure. Hormonal imbalance. When your heart isn't operating in an optimal environment, it can result in chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and hormonal imbalances within the arteries. These conditions can severely damage your cardiovascular system, potentially leading to fatal outcomes. Diabetes or high blood sugar levels. In addition to weight gain, lack of sleep can disrupt how your body processes glucose and insulin, the hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. Consequently, inadequate sleep can lead to blood sugar fluctuations, increasing the risk of heart failure. A 2023 study on the correlation between diabetes and sleep deprivation found that sleep loss can lead to insulin resistance, meaning your cells don't respond well to insulin and can't use glucose effectively. Insulin resistance can cause type 2 diabetes, which significantly raises the risk of heart disease and stroke. Good sleep habits are linked to lower risk of heart disease and high cholesterol. Learn how you can enhance your sleep cycle and protect your heart health, especially during the summertime. Good sleeping habits. 7 ways to sleep well and protect your heart. Getting sufficient quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Here are some simple ways to ensure a good night's sleep and prevent serious heart diseases. Follow a good sleep routine. Plan your sleep cycle with an expert. Try to go to bed and wake up at approximately the same time every night. Try herbal teas before bed. Some teas can have excellent effects on your mind and body health, leaving you feeling relaxed and thus enhancing your sleep cycle. One such tea is chamomile tea. A cup of this herbal blend relaxes your mind and helps you sleep well. Follow a relaxing nighttime routine. You must make it a point to follow some relaxing techniques right before you head to bed, to enhance your sleep cycle. Simple activities like reading a good book, soaking in a warm bath, or meditating can foster relaxation and enhance sleep quality. Try incorporating relaxing yoga asanas in your nighttime routine. Another way to enhance your sleep cycle is to try adding some effective relaxing yoga poses to your nighttime sleep routine. These can be simple poses like Anulom Bilom, light breathing asanas, and Aum mantra technique. Keep your room a little extra cozy. Your sleep environment is a huge factor in getting good sleep. You must make your bedroom feel cozy, with warm and dim lights, soft bedding, and comfortable pillows. Keep your electronic gadgets out of your reach. One of the many reasons behind a poor sleep cycle is your screen time. Minimize screen time around 1 hour before bedtime to foster better sleep and heart health. Follow a healthy diet routine. Keep a tab on what you are eating at night. This habit of yours can have a major impact on your sleep cycle. Your diet and hydration affect both your sleep and heart health. Stay clear of large meals, caffeine and alcohol near bedtime to prevent sleep disruption. So, get yourself good sleep, and keep your heart happy and safe. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.